Hey guys, it's Jamie from Ultimate 9 here, and today we'll be taking you through the Ultimate Nudge Bar, and in particular, its packaging. We've put a lot of time and effort into the Ultimate Nudge Bar program, with new applications coming online soon, and the packaging was one of the final pieces that would help us deliver a professional and polished look. The Ultimate Nudge Bar packaging is designed with multiple sections. Each section isolates a part to prevent it from becoming scratched or damaged during transit. It also allows us to easily ship with pallets. With 2 wide and 3 high, you're able to have 6 cartons per pallet. The boxes are easy to manage and store in your warehouse or to keep on your showroom floor. Finally, they deliver a satisfying customer experience. Everybody loves unboxing a new product, and it's also recyclable.